morning guys! Happy Tuesday! Today's Tuesday, January 20 na tayo and time check 6:17 ng umaga. Meron tayong ganap today, week of prayer. So ito yung panahon na kung saan magtitipon-tipon lahat ng mga church workers, may mga pare, iba't ibang denomination. So may mga pare, may mga pastor, may mga madre, no, kung sino-sino mga religious, mga sector na mag-gather to pray para sa world peace, unity, at saka yung pagkakaisa talaga yung mga nangyayari sa mundo. So, si Bunso, nakalisan si Kuya, ang hapon siya. Dapat kasama si Kuya, kaya lang sumama ang kanyang pakiramdam, not feeling well. So, please medyo bumalik yung ating boses. Sana magtuloy-tuloy. Pero kung may piyok-piyok pa rin tayo. I-ready ko lang itong aking mga gamit kasi ililipat ko yung mga dala kong hymns. Kasi ako yung tutugtog doon and kakanta yung choir. Pero ilan lang ang pwede kasi nga may pasok Tuesday ngayon. So marami tayong member na may mga trabaho at saka nasa school. So hindi sila pwede sa schedule. Kaya ilan lang din yung makaka-attend. So, ready ko lang yung mga hymns. Ito yung mga gagamitin ko mamaya. Babalikan ko kayo dahil mag-ano na lang ako. Mag-aangkas ako ngayon para ito yung aming uniform. Mag-aangkas na lang ako para mabilis kasi hindi ko kabisado yung lugar. Hindi ako magdadala ng sasakyan. Mamaligaw tayo, malate tayo sa ating appointment. Na nga pala ako guys sa isang simbahan sa Manila. So, isa-celebrate natin ang Week of Prayer for Christian Unity.
Bilis ang matalilen.
Sabi ko, umanta si si. Hindi niya maitatago yan.
Welcome to my vlog.
Bagong menu.
Welcome to McDonald's. We're eating at McDonald's with
May bagong
Shopee.
Ano yung bagong news?
Ngayon, sa bagong menu ng McDonald's.
Pero
parang cute yun.
kasi kumisuma kita dyan sa atin. Diba? Hindi nila alam kung dahil pa dito wala ko sa...
Ayan na lang. Ito, at Kuya Jun. Ako. Ito, lahat chicken ka.
Float lang?
Akin to.
Ay, ito kay Kuya Peng.
Tatlo lang pala tayo. Gravy, wala tayong gravy. Wala tayong gravy. Pepre yung Ay, tapos na? Tapos na.
Gusto kaya sumubo ako.
A few moments later.
James 1:4, Dear brothers and sisters, when troubles come your way, consider it an opportunity for great joy. For you know that when your faith is tested, your endurance has a chance to grow. So let it grow. For when your endurance is fully developed, you will be perfect and complete, needing nothing. We can't really know the depth of our character until we see how we react under pressure. It is easy to be kind to others when everything is going well, but can we still be kind when others are treating us unfairly? God wants to make us mature and complete, not to keep us formal pain. Instead of complaining about our struggles, we should see them as opportunities for growth. Thank God for promising to be with you in rough times. Ask Him to help you solve your problems or to give you the strength to endure them. Then, be patient. God will not leave you alone with your problems. He will stay close and He will help you grow. James 1 2 to 4, dear brothers and sisters, when troubles come your way, consider it an opportunity for great joy. For you know that when your faith is tested, your endurance has a chance to grow. So let it grow. For when your endurance is fully developed, you will be perfect and complete, needing nothing. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you for watching TSM, The Simple Mom. See you again tomorrow for another day of vlogging. Good night.